These investments are going to bulletproof your life, your money, your career, and I'm here to tell you about them so that you can make them. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Bulletproof Life. My name is Ronke Odewumi, and as usual, I'm delighted to have you here. I hope you've had a good weekend and you're starting the week on a positive note. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the absolute best investments you should be making in 2022. These investments are going to bulletproof your life, your career, your money, and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get right into these absolute investments. The first investment I'm going to tell you about is investing in increasing your earning power. In 2022, we are going to make more money. We are going to increase our earning power. You need to invest in increasing your earning power. It's hard to try to increase your earning power if you have not improved yourself, if you have not invested in it as an active enterprise. So you need to invest in your earning power. And how can you invest in increasing your earning power? It's one, by gaining more skills, by doing more training, by improving your capabilities, what you are able to do, and by improving the skill set that you have on your CV. Build your CV. I always say, have a CV ready at all times. Have an elevator pitch. If I stopped you today and I said, what value can you add? What do? You should have a 30-second pitch that you can deliver to anyone, to any CEO, to any recruiter, to anybody. Build out that elevator pitch. Have your CV ready. Improve your skills, get training. There are skills platforms, there are programs that you can do, there are skills platforms and websites where you can gain skills. There is Udemy, there is Coursera. I will throw down a few links in the description so that you can pick them up and you can use them to get the skills that you need. So the first thing you need to be doing, the first investment you need to be making is investing in increasing your earning power. The second investment you need to be making this year is investing in your pension. If you don't already have a pension, please get a pension. And if you already have a pension but you are not contributing to it to the maximum, please increase your pension contribution. If you're an employee, you should have a pension at work. Your employer is automatically required to make contributions into your pension for you. So you can contribute to that pension and your employer will match it. So it's very important that you have a pension with your employer. If you are a self-employed person, you can have a self-invested personal pension on a lot of investment platforms like Lansdowne, AJW Invest, and so on and so forth. So investing in your pension, investing in your old age is the second kind of investment you need to be making this 2022. The third kind of investment you should be making this 2022 is investing in your health. You need to invest in your health. Ladies and gentlemen, eat right. Let's join hands to eat right. I know we love our jollof rice, we love our pastas, we love our Mackies, McDonald's, we love all of those things. But we need to eat right, especially if you are somebody over the age of 25. Darling, we need to eat right. Your metabolism needs you to eat right. Your body needs you to eat right. You need to exercise. Working from home has really made it hard to exercise, to get off the chair. For those of us that work on computers and laptops, we just sit down all day and, the pedometer is no longer showing 10K steps. It's now showing 1,000 steps, 2,000 steps, and it's really crazy. So we need to eat healthy, we need to exercise, you need to get those checkups. If you get a letter from your GP asking you to come in for an annual checkup, please do it. Ladies, if you get that letter asking you to come in for a smear test, please go for your smear test. It's not the most comfortable of things, but it's not that uncomfortable, especially when you consider the things you can avoid if you get a smear test. So let's take care of our bodies. Let's invest in our health. Take your vitamin Ds, take your multivitamins, go out for that exercise, protect your mental health. Have boundaries. Don't be somebody that everybody can reach at all times of the day. You're picking your phone at 11 p.m. You're picking your phone at 10 p.m. when it's not an emergency, and then you are gisting, and then people just call you at all hours of the day just to have a conversation. In the middle of work, somebody will call you, and then you abandon work and go and gist and come back to work. Protect yourself, protect your mental well-being, protect your boundaries, avoid toxic friends, share toxic friendships. We're grown-ups. If you're watching this video, you're probably somebody who is over the age of 21, and you're at that age when you need to start learning how to protect your space, how to avoid toxic relationships and toxic friends. So protect your mental health, invest in your health as a whole, make that a big absolute investment you are making in 2022. If your health is in a good place, if your mental health is in a good place, you are empowered to bulletproof your life, you're empowered to bulletproof your money, you're empowered to take steps to impact lives and to have a positive effect on your local and global economy. So I've given you 3 things to invest in now. The 4th thing you need to invest in is your network. You need to invest in your network. You need to build relationships that improve you. I said earlier that you should shed toxic friends. That's the same way you should also invest in positive people. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with positive relationships. Invest in your network. Work that LinkedIn. Work it. Keep in touch with people in your professional network. Keep in touch with people in your social network that improve you, that benefit you. Build your network. Go out, do things. I know there's COVID that stuck a lot of us at home, including myself, and we become very used to just being indoors and not seeing anybody and taking solace in social media and the TV. But we honestly need to build our networks in 2022. It's important to build that network, to work it, and to have relationships. There is something called social capital, and it's the people you know. It's not always what you have that's going to push you forward. It's the people you know. And when I say it's the people you know, I mean people who you know, who can provide you information, who can open doors for you, who can make you aware of opportunities, who can tell you how they've done it, who can, who have climbed up a ladder and can hold the same ladder for you to climb up, people who have walked a particular path and can tell you how they did it so that you can have it easier. That's what I mean by social capital. People who enrich your life. They enrich your life, you enrich your career. I'm part of your social capital. I enrich your life with financial information and tips and hacks and things like that. So work on your social capital, build your network, invest in your network. The other investment you need to be making in 2022 is financial education. You need to invest in financial education. You need to be aware of what you can do with your money, how to build wealth, how to stay out of debt, how to budget, how to save, how to be in control of your finances. You need to invest in financial education. And that can be by watching YouTube videos, like my channel, by consuming financial education on Instagram, on social media, by reading books. I'm a big advocate of reading books, Rich Dad Poor Dad, lots of books like that. There are so many books you can read that will give you financial education, by going online and checking out websites that provide financial information. There's Google Finance. I really like Google Finance. There are a lot of websites like that. There's Investopedia. There are so many websites that provide financial education for you to consume. So invest in your financial education. Decide every week to consume at least some financial information to improve your knowledge of finances and to help you bulletproof your money. The other investment you should be making is in your career. Invest in your career, invest in pushing your career, in getting that promotion. Get yourself a workplace sponsor, get yourself a mentor. A mentor and a sponsor are 2 absolutely different things. It's possible for your mentor to sponsor you, it's possible for your sponsor to mentor you, but they are 2 very different relationships, which I would always suggest that you have separate people doing. Even if your mentor is providing some sponsorship, their core role can be mentoring. And even if your sponsor is providing some mentoring, their core role needs to be sponsorship. So what do I mean by that? Your mentor is somebody who can provide you advice, sounding board, accountability, partnership in different areas of your life, especially your career. Now, when it comes to career mentoring, I always say don't have a mentor who's your direct boss at work. Because sometimes you need to talk about your direct boss to your mentor. And when your mentor is already your direct boss, then it becomes impossible. So have a mentor who is outside of your organization, but who can provide career mentorship. If you have a mentor within your organization who is providing career mentorship, there should be somebody who you don't report to directly, who you don't work with directly. That allows you to remove any conflict of interest. Now, if you have a sponsor needs to be in your workplace. A sponsor is somebody who can push you up the ladder at work. So a sponsor definitely needs to be in your workplace. At work, You need to do visibility projects. You need to do projects that put you in front of senior people, projects that allow people to see your capability and strengths, projects that portray you in a positive light. So don't shy away from those projects. Don't shy away from those activities. When they need volunteers to do important projects, go for it. Now, I'm not talking about projects like planning parties or catering programs. Unless you are in that department, avoid projects that require you to plan parties, because they are not exactly the kind of visibility projects you want to be doing. You want to be doing visibility projects within your own area of work, projects that reflect on you positively in the skill sets that you are using in the workplace. That brings me to the last investment you should be making in 2022. In 2022, you need to be investing in assets. You need to be investing in assets, stocks and shares, exchange traded funds, mutual funds, property, gold. You need to be investing in assets. And this particular year, I'm going to be focusing a lot on this channel, talking about assets, talking about how to invest in assets, how to get on the property ladder, how to buy stocks and shares, how to get your exchange traded funds. So you need to stick with me, stay with me this year on this channel, because we are going to be doing a lot of investing in assets. If you are completely new to investing and you want to know how to get started, reach out to me. I have an investing webinar which I sell at a really affordable rate, which you can buy and listen to at your own convenience, and it will provide you the basic knowledge of investing, what you need to do, where you need to start, what you need to do before you start investing, and all of that. So I've now provided you with a long list of things you should be investing in this 2022. Just to give you a quick recap, you need to invest in increasing your earning power. You need to invest in your health. You need to invest in your career. You need to invest in your pension. You need to invest in improving and growing your network. You need to invest in assets. And you need to invest in gaining financial education. If you have enjoyed this video, if you feel like it has added value to you, please press the like button on this video so that YouTube can share it with other people like you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, darling, please subscribe to my channel. Please support me as I am supporting you. I'm supporting you to bulletproof your life. Please support me, encourage me to come back here by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell so you can get notifications every time I share a new video. Until my next video, which is going to be next Monday, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. You take care of yourself and keep living that bulletproof life. Bye-bye.